Welcome back to Product Critique, where we put everyday products under the microscope so you can make informed choices before you buy. Today, we're diving into the Zapande running machine remote control replacement. Designed specifically for the Costway 2-in-1 2.25 HP treadmill and compatible with Gymax 2.25 HP dual display models, as well as GoPlus 2.5 HP SuperFit folding treadmills for home use. If you've ever struggled with your treadmill remote breaking or losing connectivity, this replacement promises a straightforward solution. Right out of the box, it comes in a sleek black design with an ergonomic layout that feels comfortable in your hand. Setup is surprisingly simple. You start by inserting the batteries, pulling out the safety lock on your treadmill, and then pairing the remote with the treadmill display. Within just a few seconds, you get a sound confirming successful pairing, and your treadmill is ready to go. Zapande emphasizes that this remote isn't a universal model. You need to ensure your treadmill matches one of the supported models before purchasing, but the brand provides guidance for verifying compatibility, making it easier for users to avoid mismatched units. The remote is compatible with a range of 2.25 HP treadmills, including several SUP and SP models. And for 2.5 HP treadmills like the GoPlus SuperFit and select Gymax models. One of the key selling points is the upgraded chip inside the remote. This enhances stability and speed in pairing with your treadmill, while optimized power consumption reduces battery demands. Unlike older models that drain batteries quickly, this remote only requires two AAA batteries and excludes the County Route 2032 type, which can be harder to source. Another advantage of choosing Zapande is the company's commitment to quality. Each remote undergoes multiple inspections before it reaches you, and the brand backs it with a 2-year warranty. Should any issues arise, they promise online support within 21 hours, ensuring that you're not left stranded if the device doesn't work as expected. Physically, the remote is lightweight at just over half an ounce and compact, measuring just over 5 inches long and 3.5 inches wide, making it easy to store or handle during workouts. Its ergonomic design and button layout are intended to allow smooth operation without fumbling, giving you precise control over your treadmill functions. In conclusion, if your treadmill remote has failed or if you're looking for a more responsive, energy-efficient replacement, the Zapande running machine remote control is a practical option. It's easy to pair, designed for specific treadmill models, and supported by a reliable warranty. For anyone using a compatible Costway, Gymax, or GoPlus treadmill, this remote offers a seamless and stable upgrade to keep your workouts running smoothly. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. Make sure to hit that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the products you rely on every day.